Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, you need to find your file that you wish to print and click on it. Then tap on the Share button at the bottom left corner. Scroll down and select Print section. Now, by clicking on Printer at the top, you can click on one of the available ones nearby that you wish to use. I will go with my HP one. Then click on Presets. Pick one of those options by clicking on the right one for you, in my case black and white. And finally select number of copies. Enable or disable print in color thanks to this switcher. And tap on paper size, to apply the best one for you. Lastly, scroll all the way down, tap on Media and Quality, and adjust Feed Form and Media Type by tapping on those two sections and tapping on the best options for you. Then swipe left or right on Print Quality slider in order to adjust it. When you're done, just click on Print at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!